In this video, what I want to do is I want to create a variant on my name tag component where I have an expanded description underneath. And to do that, I go to Components, select the name tag component, and right click on it. And then where I have main component, I add variant. So this is now a variant of the name tag component. What I can do is I can expand this, and for this one I can use this resize to fit button to fit the variant. So this component is now enlarged, and what I need to do is I need to add a text box underneath it and pull these things to the top. To do that, I look at my generic avatar and name block. So these two, I need to get into a frame and push it up so that I can put a box underneath. So I'll put them into a frame. So now that I have selected both of them, I'll right click and frame selection. So now this object, okay, has a auto layout which is left justified and going to the right. Now I'm changing this object, going to the to down, and it's starting from the top. Okay, so the first item inside this object is this frame. Okay, and the second subject item is going to be the text box. So let me get a text box here and say text. Okay, so now this text box and these together inside this frame, they need an auto layout, and basically the gap between them is 20. The external is 20. This is vertical is 20. The horizontal is 20 of the padding. So this looks good. The only thing is this text box. What are the sizes of the cell? So it's from the top. It's aligned to the top. It's aligned left. The thing is, it is hugging from the horizontal side. What I want is I want to fill the container, and vertically, I also want to fill the container. So this is now my text box. And the other thing I want to add to my text box is again changing the effects of the truncation. So I add to this text truncation, so it will be truncated if it's too long. Okay, so this is my text box. Now what remains is how to fill this text box with text. Obviously you can start writing gibberish and so on and so forth, but it's not something that really you want to do all the time. So for that, we have the Lorem Ipsum text, and I go to plugins. So I already have this installed, but anyway, manage plugins. If you say Lorem here, you will get various Lorems. I happen to use this one, this Lorem Ipsum. Now what it's asking for is to select the area where to fill the text. Either I can put like 5 sentences generate, or I can auto generate to fill the entire space. Now because I want to demonstrate this card with the expanded text, I want to auto generate. So now I have auto generated text within my component. Now one thing to fix again is these variants. So let's go to this variant, and this property is let's call it type. What type of name tag is this? And let's change the name to short. Okay, and the other variant, let's change the name to long. Okay, so now this name tag component has a long variant with the text and a short variant without the text. And in this video, we've also learned how to apply the Lorem Ipsum plugin to fill in text, arbitrary text for components or text fields, etc., to give the feel of what it will look like on the screen without having to type long sentences or cut and paste from places. Right.